Hello again, this is G from AI for Pinoys, and I'm gonna do a 2 to 3 minute app review again. But this time I'm gonna do an app review for slide presentation. So pamira naman tayo sa Google Slides or PowerPoint presentations. But if you want an alternative to those two, I would suggest to check out Gamma. Now, Gamma is a AI PowerPoint or slide uh, presentation maker, no? So basically, you prompt it and it will create the slide presentation for you. Ito yung ginagamit ko lagi when I teach with TTI, Department of Trade and Industry, for their SME program for digitalization. Lagi sila namamangha, no? Lagi sila nawawaw every time I do a demo on the camera. So it's a like it says in their webpage, so which is called the webpage is gamma.app, effortless AI design for presentations and websites. No, I use this a lot. No, I use this a lot. So ang gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo. Yan. So this is their website. So it's kind of cool rin. So but I'll show you what other things that I've done here. No, so here's I don't want to deep dive into the features that they have, but it's basically easy. You just click on creating a new AI presentation. No, so for example, you can generate siya na yung gagawa or ikaw maglalagay ng meron kang text, pwede mo siya i-paste diyan. May URL ka na gusto gayahin. Let's say you have a website that you wanna convert into like a presentation, ikaw na bahala, no? So for the sake of this demonstration, let's say how to make cheesecake, sabihin natin. So generate an outline for us. So pag mamili ka na lang ng itsura ng gusto mo ng cheesecake na yan. So yan, gagawin ninyo yung outline. Tapos ang maganda sa kanya kasi it's integrated with Nano Banana. I mean, I am a big fan of Nano Banana, which yung image generation. So yun, pwede mo piliin as a Nano Banana. No? There are credits nga lang, so you have to have credits for this to run. So usually 200 credits ang ibinibigay sa'yo on a free tier. No? So, but try it out lang. You can use it for free naman. So yan, pag nag-generate tayo ng slide, so sana maabot natin yung time. Ayan, so gine-generate din niya po ngayon yung slide presentation natin, including the images po. So, ayan. So you can see it's been generated here all the way at the very end. Ayan. So nakita niyo sa screen naman. I-pause ko lang magsandan. Ayan, i-resume ko na siya. So as you can see, ginawa niya yung mga images, pati yung how to make it. And even the images are amazing, like yung step-by-step process. So kung ikaw ay gumagawa ng mga recipes or tuturo ka, this is highly recommended for you. Sige po, yun lang. Bye-bye.